we're not gonna have views, I know. Some of the videos, 17, 18, 20 million views. But leg workout, you know, Simo, we have actually one video with 1 million views. That's a leg workout. That's intermediate cycle 1. Or leg work, you know, that is actually one of the best series we have on the entire YouTube network, because it's a connecting 5-day series, and I believe combined 20 or 25 million views on that series. और हर वीडियो को 2, 5, 10 million views तक गए हुए हैं. Thank you very much, thank you very much. Stretching कर लें, stretching makes you less prone to injuries. Day 1 की वीडियो के अंदर हमने आपके साथ रूटीन शेयर की हुई है पूरी 5 से 10 मिनट की. Basic dynamic moves, basic static moves just to get your body going. This video is brought to you by in collaboration with myprotein.com. आज ही आप उनकी वेबसाइट विजिट करें www.myprotein.co.in. Warm up के बाद पहली exercise 3 sets of 20 squats. We're using body weight squats. So this is about day 27, 28. This is your first proper leg day of the workout of this 100-day transformation series. So हमने basic squats, lunges वगैरह कराई हैं, लेकिन कभी आपको मशीनों पे नहीं डाला. So today we'll get you into a proper leg workout. Again, still beginner, still into your 5-6 weeks into your working out. Stand shoulder width apart, पैरों को सीधे रखें, जितने shoulder छोड़े उतने रखें. Go down, up, nice and slow. So जितनी आपकी body allow करती है, I want you to go that low. So if your body allows you to go this low, that's okay. Because again, remember, we have people who want to lose 10 pounds, and then we have people who want to lose 150, 200 pounds. So depending on how much flexibility you have और आपकी body आपको कितना allow करती है, only push your body this much. So this, that's great. अगर ज़्यादा allow करती है, you can go as low as you want. You can take your butt all the way down to the ground. But 3 sets of 20, put pressure on your quads. 1, 2, keep your back straight. उतने कोशिश करें पैरों की उंगलियों से आगे ना जाए. So about 20 squats, 30 to 45 second break, 20 squats, 3 set लगाएं. Once that is done, we're going to move on to a machine called leg extensions. So जब आप टांगे लगा रहे होते हैं, which is your quad, which is the front side of your legs, then there is your hamstrings, which is the back side of your leg, which is connected to your lower back and your glutes. So now first we're hitting the front side of your leg. पैर यानी स्टैंडर्ड स्टैंड है, जितनी आपके पैर गिरे हुए हैं, क्या कहते हैं, घुटने जितने चौड़े हैं उतने ही पैर चौड़े होने चाहिए. ये नहीं कि पैर नीचे जोड़े हुए घुटने बाहर हैं या घुटने अंदर है पैर चौड़े. नो, जितने आपके घुटने हैं उसी की सीध में आपके पैर होने चाहिए. Hold this, go all the way up, pause, slowly back down, up, pause, slowly back down, up, pause. It's very important to pause so you can, put a lot of tension onto that muscle. Slowly down, pause, and slowly down. So 20 repetitions, 30 to 45 second break, 3 set beast repetitions. Okay, so पहले आपने बैठ के लगाई, which is your basic body weight squats, 3 by 20. Then you do leg extensions, 3 sets of 20. You're back to your squats, 3 sets of 20 all over again. Again, same thing. 1, so 20, nice and slow. Keep the tension on your quads. So पहले बैठ के लगाना आसान था. When you do extensions, आपके now your legs are stiff. There's more lactic acid into it. You're back to your squats, loosen up your quads all over again. 3 by 20. Now we're going to hit your hamstring, which is the back side of your leg. So पैर ऊपर, knock it up, nice and slow. Down, pause. See, उसमें ऊपर आके pause था, इसमें नीचे आके pause है. You'll see where the tension stays. Pause. 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 Good. Pause. One more. And 20. So आपने क्या किया? 3 sets of 20 squats, 3 sets of 20 extensions, 3 sets of 20 squats, 3 sets of 20 seated leg curls. Now we're going to move on to your next exercise, which is your 5th exercise of the workout. 5 sets of 12 leg presses. Simo, come from that side. So leg press is one of the great exercises to add size, thickness. ये ऐसे exercise है जिसके अंदर you can push a lot of weight. You can go vertical, you can go horizontal, different machine. This is a seated leg press, an ideal machine made by Atlantis for beginners. A great piece of equipment to have in a gym. Most of the gyms actually have this. हमारे इस तरह है नॉर्मली, अगर लाइफ फिटनेस वगैरह की या मैट्रिक्स की या पावर बॉडी की या किसी और कंपनी की मशीनें होती हैं, उनमें साइड में स्टैक लगा होता है. इसमें सामने तो थोड़े सामने ही पता लग जाता है जैसे कितना आप चाहते हैं. Keep about a 12-inch distance between your feet. So about a foot between your feet. So it's about standard about a foot. Keep your go day straight. Don't push your go day out. Don't pull your go day in. Nice and slow. You push it out. Keep the tension on your butt. Don't lock your knees. On the butt, in and back and forth. Here we go. Inhale through nose, exhale through mouth. And back and forth. Here we go. nice and slow, and try to increase the weight on every set. So जब आप कैसे, मैं आपको कहता हूँ 5 सेट 12 के लगाएं, पहला सेट आपने लगाया 160 पाउंड के ऊपर, 12 रेपिटेशन आसानी से लगे, प्लेट ऊपर चले जाए, थोड़ा पुश करें, keep increasing the weight at every set. तो थोड़ी there is a struggle. Just याद रखें, this is your first proper leg day, so you're going to be really sore. Don't efficiency मार के 400 चुक ले के next दिन थोड़े को टॉयलेट पे भी ना बैठा जाए. 5 by 12 leg presses. Let's finish off your leg workout with calves. Now when you're training calves, your forearms, your calves are such muscles. They often get neglected. A lot of people don't like to train them that much because they're small. They get trained here and there, running के अंदर आ जाते हैं. You know, you're pulling, any pull exercise के अंदर आपकी forearms involved हो जाती हैं. But it's always good to train them when you're training certain muscles जिसमें you get drained really easily. Legs, आपकी बस हो जाती है. उसके बाद यार जान है पर I'm dead यार, I can't do it. मेरी टांगें बहुत दुख रही हैं. Yes, then you should train your calves. Bicep लगा रहे हैं, मेरे bicep बहुत दुख रहे हैं यार, मेरे, you know, I can't do it anymore. Train forearms because there's a primary muscle and there's a secondary muscle. Primary muscle is the muscle that you're training. Secondary is the muscle who's supporting that muscle. So, jab band, 4 sets, 12 to 15 with a 3-second pause. Seated calf raises. Up, 1, 2, 3. Down, stretch, up, 1, 2, 3. It's important to put muscle under tension, smaller muscle, rather than working on stretch. बड़े muscle में stretch बहुत काम करता है. Stretch, stretch. छोटे muscle में squeeze काम करता है. Up, 1, 2, 3, stretch, up, 1, 2, 3, stretch, up, 1, 2, 3, stretch, see, up, 1, 2, 3, up, and 1, 2, 3. And that would wrap up your workout. Once this is done, take a couple of minutes break, drink your amino acids, drink your Gatorade, drink your electrolytes, drink your Tang, limbu pani, thanda pani, tata pani, garam pani, thanda pani, ala pani, ya sukka pani, paji da pani gila kenda main ta darya pi jawa bol mere fir bhi sukke de sukke. And then do 30 minutes post workout cardio. Walk, jog, sprint, anything you like, preferably on a machine. 30 minutes को करना ना भूले. YouTube पे हमें subscribe करना मत भूले. My Bollywood Body. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.